I Wanna Be Sedated, the Ramones. It's a great song. You can learn it on any of the services. I'll play a little bit at the end, so stick around. But right now what I'm going to talk about is, what is a power chord? And my approach to it is harmonic. Okay? So we're going to talk a little bit about harmonics on the string. You ready for that? Okay, look. Here is the whole string right here. From the bridge down here to the nut right here. Okay? If you sound the whole string, and I want to recommend a bridge pickup and picking close to the string. If you hear that, that's the whole string vibrating. And then if you play a harmonic which is lightly touching the string, very, 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 very lightly. Very lightly. You can even take your finger off right over that metal bar. You know what that is? That's half of the string right there at the double dot 12th fret. If I go here to the 5th fret, or sorry, 7th fret, that's 1/3 of the string, okay? Okay? And then you can also do that at the 19th fret. That's 2/3 of the string. It's the same sound, because all I'm doing is stopping the string from vibrating at one point of the string so that you can't hear the whole string vibrating. Okay, whole string, half string, third of a string, quarter of a string, 1/5 of the string. Here's the tricky one. It's not right at the fret, it's just a little behind it. Just a little bit. Right? There's 5th. If you play it at the 4th string, you kind of get it. But if you just slide your finger back, you'll get it. Now listen to what we got. Oh, it's 1/6 of the string. Oh, there we go. Hey, listen to this. Half the string, 1/3 of a string, quarter of a string, 5th of a string, 6th of a string, and many more. 1/7 of a string, 1/8 of a string. Okay, what is a power chord? A power chord is the ratio of 3 to 2. So any of these multiples, sorry for the math, but any of these multiples of 2 times the string and 3 times the string and 4, hey, that's 2 times 2, that's a power chord. Now listen to this. There's an A power chord on your A string, and then an open A. And then, oh, check it out. Hey, look. There's an E chord, and the first 3, there's your power chord. This is why I call this a harmonic approach to power chords, okay? Same thing with a D. Right? But if I add, oh, 1/5 of the string, tricky, a little bit behind the fret, somehow it becomes a little prettier and a little bit less like rock music, right? Not a power chord because it has the 1/3 of the chord. We'll talk about that later because that's a melodic or scalar approach to power chords, and we're talking about a harmonic approach. So, if you want to play the Ramones in open position, which I know is heresy, but we're going to do it anyway for the people who've mastered these open chords. Oh, little palm muting always helps to get it like the Ramones. See that? Right against the bridge, as close as you can get to the bridge to tamp down those multiples of the string that are like 1/497th, and to shorten the sustain. Okay, here we go. The lowest 3 strings of that A chord, fine. Oh, add that, not so much a power chord. Power chord, too pretty. Power chord, too pretty. First 3 strings of the D string, power chord. Add the top string, too pretty, no longer a power chord. Lowest 3 strings of the E chord. So you can follow along those chords from Wanna Be, you know what, Sedated, right? And just palm damp those chords through the power chords. You know you went too far if you get through that pitch. And now I want to show you two things. One, real quick, what is that? What are you seeing? Oh, hopefully you're seeing a picture. And I'll try and share this on my Instagram, which is at jamdapclass, I believe, and on my Facebook. It's a picture of the vibrating string. There's the nut, there's the bridge, there's the middle. Oh, half, 1/3, what I just showed you. Take a little screen grab of that and max that out. Okay. Finally, one other thing that you can do with these Overtone series as a bonus. Look what happens when you combine the Overtone series of the A string and the Overtone series of the D string and the E string. We got those chords, and now listen to this. I'm going to play across the strings. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. That's where the major scale comes from. This is the basis of all Western harmony. All what they call music theory, and I prefer to talk about as harmony. We came here to talk about Ramones, but we got a little lesson about the science behind music and a little bit of music theory. If you enjoyed what you saw here and want to learn more about all these things, please like, share, and subscribe. Especially share and sign up for notifications and all that stuff. It really helps the channel. Share with all your friends, your lawyer, your accountant, your favorite teacher, your favorite student, whoever. Okay, what did we learn? Power chords. They're the lowest harmonies of any chord. So as long as you avoid that pretty note, the mi and the do, mi, so, you're good. And if you power damp them, if you palm damp them, okay, I'm not going to teach the whole song here, but it's just A, D, and E. I Want to Be Sedated by the Ramones. But perhaps you'll see it in another video. Okay, see you soon. Thanks for stopping by.